Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Michael here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to download one of the best recording video software ever. Exactly what I'm using. I think OBS will be the first thing, and what I'm going to show you guys how to download will be the second. So go to your web browser, preferably Chrome, search for Screencast-o-matic. So the first thing there, Screencast-o-matic screen recorder and video editor. So you press that. It first load here. Then you see this page. It's Screencast-o-matic. It's very personal code pricing. Login, sign up, it's free. I already have my own account. But you guys, if you're going to download this, you're going to have to sign up. It's free to sign. So I'm going to press login. Your email. Go to my email. Let's continue. So details are correct. Thanks. Page is expired. No, I'm going to reload it. So yeah, that's correctly. Yeah, so here I'll see my videos. I've never done a video here. Upload this video and start organizing and sharing. So I signed in. So we're gonna do this here. So you'll see this page. See how do I get started? Go into video. That's what this video is actually for. What we're gonna do, we're gonna come here and press the launch recorder. Also try the video editor, was free for 30 days. You have to pay. This is actually all you're going to do. Once it finishes loading, press download. Press download. It's very easy. So thank you guys for watching, and that'll be all today. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and comment down what you thought, and goodbye.